The Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design is a stunningly crafted foldable phone that sets a new standard. Thinner than competitors and with a larger battery, it rivals traditional smartphones in size and usability. Priced at £1,700 for the standard model, this Porsche Design Edition is expected to cost even more. Packed with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, and a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 20 megapixel telephoto, it delivers top-tier performance. Add in two vibrant LTPO OLED displays, a 7.92-inch foldable and a 6.43-inch cover screen, and you've got a foldable that truly impresses. Design. The Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design is a true head-turner, exuding sleek sophistication that mirrors the high-performance cars it draws inspiration from. While the standard Magic V2 is already an attractive device, the Porsche Design variant takes things up a notch. Its back panel is more angular, featuring a thin crest down the middle with the Honor and Porsche Design logos subtly placed along one edge. The camera bump is minimal, keeping the overall profile slim and refined. At just 9.9 millimeters thick, the Magic V2 is the thinnest foldable on the market, easily outclassing competitors like the Samsung Z Fold 5, 13.4 millimeters, and the Google Pixel Fold, 12.1 millimeters. This ultra-slim design eliminates the bulky pocket feel typically associated with foldables and makes it as portable as a standard smartphone. Honor has also implemented thoughtful design features like curved edges and ultra-thin bezels on both the cover and fold-out screens. However, there's a slight risk of dust and debris around the edges, though the new 91% titanium alloy hinge mechanism reduces gaps and increases durability. Weighing just 231 grams, it's lighter than most modern flagships, making it comfortable to hold and easy to use, whether folded or unfolded. The smaller cover display is compact yet practical for everyday tasks, while the unfolded screen is manageable with one hand, showcasing excellent engineering. The one drawback? Its lack of an official IP rating. Unlike the IPX8 certified Samsung Z Fold 5 and Google Pixel Fold, the Magic V2 offers no water resistance, limiting its durability to light splashes or drizzle. Display. One of the biggest perks of the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design is its dual display setup, and Honor has truly delivered with two impressive panels. Starting with the smaller 6.43-inch cover display, it feels perfectly proportioned, avoiding the overly tall or narrow designs seen in some foldables and even standard phones like the Sony Xperia 5V. This OLED screen is vibrant, smooth, and bright, boasting an incredible peak brightness of 2,500 nits, higher than the fold-out display. With support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, it's perfect for quick tasks or even immersive gaming and movie watching on the go. If you prefer using the phone in its folded state, this display makes it feel like a premium, conventional smartphone. The 7.92-inch fold-out display is where the Magic V2 RSR truly shines. It's the largest of its kind on any foldable and offers an expansive canvas for multitasking, gaming, or streaming. The bezels are slim, and the crease in the middle is almost invisible unless viewed at extreme angles. A huge improvement over older foldables. This OLED panel features a crisp 2344 by 2156 resolution, 1600 nits peak brightness, adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support. For movie buffs, the screen also boasts IMAX Enhanced certification, ensuring an exceptional viewing experience for supported content. Certain apps may not fully utilize the massive screen, resulting in a letterbox effect, but you can easily force apps and games to fill the display. When playing Asphalt 9 Legends, for example, the screen's vibrant colors, smooth refresh rate, and deep contrast truly enhance the experience. In short, whether you're using the compact cover screen or the expansive fold-out display, The Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design sets a new standard for foldable phone displays. Camera. The Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design isn't just about its stunning display. It also delivers impressive photography. With a 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 20-megapixel telephoto lens featuring up to 2.5x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom, it excels in a variety of settings. In well-lit environments, the photos are sharp and vibrant, with excellent color accuracy. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide matches the main sensor's colors perfectly, and the 20-megapixel telephoto also impresses with crisp details. The 2.5x optical zoom pulls in fine detail, while the 10x digital zoom holds its own, though images can get a bit blurry at extreme zoom levels, especially when you zoom in on intricate details like tree branches or the clock tower in central London. Low-light performance is strong, offering good detail overall. It might not quite match Samsung's latest, but it's more than capable for most users. There is some slight inconsistency in focus, with areas like flowers in a night shot appearing a bit fuzzy, but the overall image quality remains solid. Adding zoom in low light can introduce noise and loss of detail, though. For selfies, the 16-megapixel cameras on both the cover and fold-out displays provide decent detail and contrast. Plus, the rear cameras can also be used for high-quality selfies, thanks to the foldable design. Just prop the phone up for a better shot. In all, the Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design offers a versatile and capable camera setup for both casual and more detailed photography. Performance. Despite being a 2024 model, the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design uses last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and Android 13. While newer devices have upgraded to the Gen 3 chipset, the Magic V2 still delivers strong performance that can hold its own against 2023's flagship phones. For everyday use and multitasking, the Magic V2 RSR feels smooth and responsive. In synthetic benchmarks, it scores well, matching the competition. Gaming performance is impressive too. Titles like Asphalt 9 run smoothly, especially with the new update enabling 120 FPS gameplay, taking full advantage of the 120 Hz refresh rate. PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile also play brilliantly on the larger fold-out screen, adding to the immersive experience. Even during extended gaming sessions, the device stays relatively cool, unlike some phones that overheat under load. That said, there is a slight performance drop with prolonged use. A 3D Mark wildlife stress test showed a 33% decrease in performance after 20 runs, and the phone did heat up noticeably. With 16 gigabytes of RAM and a generous 1 terabyte of storage, the Magic V2 RSR is more than capable of handling intensive tasks and storing a large media collection. The 256 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte options on the standard Magic V2 are more limited. And while the 1 terabyte capacity is a great upgrade, there's no expandable storage via microSD. Overall, while the Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design delivers impressive hardware and solid performance, the software experience could use a little more refinement. Battery. A standout feature of the Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design is its included 66-watt USB-C charger and USB-C cable, which adds value considering the standard Magic V2 lacks these, as well as the extra leather case and stylus. This thoughtful addition helps justify the higher price tag. The 66-watt charger is impressively fast, taking just 37 minutes to charge the device from 30% to 100%. Making it one of the quickest in its category. Interestingly, the phone reminds you to unfold it for optimal charging, though charging speeds remain unaffected whether the phone is folded or not. With a 5,000 mAh battery, a solid capacity for a foldable, the Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design outperforms many previous foldables, which often compromised on battery size due to their design. The phone's slim 2.7mm thick cells, about the size of a credit card, power the device through long hours of use. In battery testing, the PC Markwork V3.0 test showed a solid 15 hours and 32 minutes of use. And in real-world use, I comfortably got about 2 days of usage before needing to recharge. Whether for casual tasks or heavy usage, the battery life is more than capable. Conclusion. The Honor Magic V2 RSR Porsche Design may not be flawless, but it's undoubtedly a game-changer for the foldable phone experience. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and impressive battery life, it presents a compelling alternative to traditional smartphones, especially if you're after extra screen space. However, its software quirks and lack of water resistance hold it back from being truly perfect. The standard Magic V2, priced at £1,700, offers a similar experience, but with half the storage of the Porsche Design version and a few cosmetic differences. For my money, the regular Magic V2 feels like a better buy. Early pricing for the RSR Porsche Design suggests a premium price tag, and unless you're a die-hard Porsche fan or love the design, it may not be worth the extra cost. Overall, foldables like the Magic V2 are clearly advancing. It's a beautiful phone, and with a few software tweaks, Honor could have a truly exceptional device on their hands.